Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on column graphs part 2. In the previous video we looked at vertical column graphs. This video looks at the concept of a horizontal column graph. This is sometimes referred to as a bar graph. Example 1, this graph has a title which all graphs should possess. And each of the axes, so this axis here and this one, have been labelled. So the following questions can be answered using the chart to the left. And basically, a small survey was taken about the favourite snacks. And they could have been students or anybody. So these are favourite snacks here, and there are 6 of them listed. What is the most popular snack? If you look at the one with the longest column, that is fruit. How many people were surveyed? All you do is add each of the numbers here at the end of each column. For example, there are the numbers. The 5 is for popcorn, the 2 is for crackers, and so on, and 32 people were surveyed. What is the least popular snack? That's the one with the shortest column, and that's obviously crackers. And how many people like popcorn? You just go to popcorn and you'll see it's 5. Example 2. The above graph shows the types and number of pets that are owned by a class of students. Again, we have the title and each of the axes is clearly labelled. Questions. What is the most popular pet? The longest column is the dog. How many students were surveyed? Again, you add all the individual numbers, and that gives you 22. So 5 plus 10 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that gives you 22. What is the difference between the number of dogs and lizards? Dogs was 10, lizards was 2. Difference means subtraction, so 10 minus 2 is 8. And what is the sum of the 4 least popular animals? So they're the animals with the shortest columns. Okay, and the sum means addition, so you add the 4 numbers and that gives you 7. Example 3. Students' favourite after-school activities. So here are all the activities that were listed. They were the ones in the survey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 activities, and this gives you the number of students who partook of those activities. What is the most popular activity? Again, the longest column, visit with friends. What is the least popular? The shortest is school clubs. What is the difference between the number of people who play sports and watch TV? So sports is 45. TV is 37, so 45 take away 37 is 8. Difference means subtraction. And what is the sum of the 2 least popular activities? They are the activities with the shortest columns, so 22 plus 37, and that gives you 59. So this video has introduced the basic concept of column graphs when they are placed in a horizontal position. And we've also answered some simple questions based on the graphs.